My name is Michael Myers, and I'm the Clinical Support Manager for Contec Healthcare. We just wanted to give you a quick update on the status of the postponement of Chapters 795, 797, and 825. On January 21st and 22nd of 2020, the USP Appeals Panel convened and heard from the appellates. If you want to review the full details of these appeals, they are available on the USP website, but for the most part, these appeals focused on BUDs, or beyond use dating, specifically the ability of a pharmacy to extend beyond use dating. The appeals panel was engaged. They asked great questions of the appellates, and they were professional. They didn't let on one way or the other which way they were leaning. The appeals panel now only has two choices. They cannot write or revise standards, so they could deny the appeal, in which case Chapters 795, 797, and 825 will become official as written. Or they can remand the appeals, sending these chapters back to the expert committees for stakeholder engagement. We're not sure how long it's going to take the appeals panel to come up with their decision, but stay tuned to Contec Healthcare for updates. As a reminder though, USP Chapter 797, both the currently enforceable version and the 2019 revision, only establish minimum standards. When it comes to cleaning and disinfecting your primary and secondary engineering controls, Contec teaches best practice that exceed these minimum standards. Reach out to Contec Healthcare to find out how our products and in-service education can help you.